Have you ever had the hiccups? Have you ever been sitting on your sofa or maybe strolling along the sidewalk when suddenly your chest lurches and this funny sounding burp comes out of your mouth? What causes hiccups? And more importantly, what can we do to prevent them? Perhaps we should look at what we had for lunch that day. Or maybe we should just do yoga every morning. I really don't know. What could we do to stop the hiccups once they start happening? I've heard many tales. Some people say holding your breath. Some people say drinking a glass of water. Some people say a spoonful of sugar. I've even heard drinking a cup of water backwards. I'd like for you to investigate these questions with me. My name is Scott Starr. I'm not a professional actor, but I am a professional student. Come journey with me as we explore these curiosities about hiccups, what causes them, and what are their potential solutions. Thank you.